Iginit ng isang PR firm na inakusahang nagpapatakbo ng troll farm na bahagi ng bayad para sa isang event ang tseke na ipinakita sa Senado noong nakaraang linggo. Hindi anilang totoong may keyboard warriors sila para po sa Chinese Embassy. Nakatutok si Mav Gonzalez.
Sa pagharap nito sa Senado, itinanggi ng Infinite Us Marketing Solutions na may trolled sila na nag-ooperate para sa Chinese Embassy. Hindi raw nila alam ang kontratang ipinakita ni Senador Francis Tolentino sa nakaraang pagdinig ng Senado, kung saan nakasaad na keyboard warriors ang serbisyong ibinibigay ng Infinite Us.
I categorically deny the allegation that Infinite Us has engaged in any unlawful activity, including the spread of disinformation to influence this coming election. The supposed contract shown is not known to us, was never authorized by us. We are the PR company for Chinese Embassy.
Ang 930,000 peso check naman na pinakita rin noong Biyernes, ibinayad sa kanila ng Chinese Embassy noong 2023, ayon sa Infinite Us, pero bayad para sa isang event.
This check actually is for the follow-up balance for the event of June 8 in 2023. During that event, President Marcos and other cabinet joined. And since that in that event is quite strict, we also adding more holding rooms and also the COVID testing, security, adding more security. So before the budget not enough, so that's why here has a follow-up balance.
You purchased COVID-19 antigen kits. Ano to sa COVID-19 ito eh? Bumili kayo ng kits, bumili kayo ng face mask.
That's requested by the President Office.
Bumili kayo ng face shield. Teka muna, wala na COVID dun eh. June 9, 2023. Either you're lying.
Naungkat din ang madalas na biyahe ng staff ng Infinite Us papuntang China. Sabi ni Tolentino, pwedeng kasuhan ng espionage at treason ang mga opisyal ng Infinite Us.
Collaborating with a foreign government to put down our system. It is a highest form of betrayal to one's flag.
Inimbitahan sa pagdinig ang Chinese Embassy pero hindi sila dumalo. Samantala, kaugnay ng hiwalay na issue ng kung may ilang kandidatong tumatanggap ng kahit anong tulong mula sa ibang bansa, ayon sa COMELEC, pwede silang i-disqualify.
Kahit na-proklama na sila, may pending case sa amin. Number one, we can suspend the proclamation.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mav Gonzalez, nakatutok, 24 Oras.